Everyone, welcome back to Cybersecurity Simplified. Today's AI-103 question is about a very important AI evaluation matrix, coherence. In simple language, coherence measures whether an answer is easy to follow from start to finish. If an answer jumps between ideas and feels confusing, coherence is probably low. Today, we'll cover what is coherence, real Azure AI Foundry demo, how enterprise teams use coherence scores, AI-103 practice question, exam tip. What is coherence? Let's look at these two responses. Low coherence, upload documents, claims take time, check your deductible, contact support, inspection may be required. Nothing is technically wrong, but the idea jumps around. The user has to mentally connect everything. It's difficult to follow. High coherence, step 1, report the claim. Step 2, upload document. Step 3, wait for review. Step 4, complete inspection. Step 5, receive decision. Same information, much easier to understand, much easier to follow. That's what Azure calls high coherence. Memory trick. Remember, groundness is evidence, fluency is natural language, coherence is a logical flow, diversity is variety. Now let's see how Azure AI Foundry evaluates coherence. Many people think Azure is evaluating the model. Not exactly. Azure is evaluating your AI application, your prompts, your RAG solutions, your generated responses. It's like student and teacher analogy. Think of it like a classroom. AI application is student. The student produces answer. Azure AI evaluator is teacher. The teacher grades the answer. We are not evaluating Azure. We are evaluating our application's output. For learning purpose, we'll use a dataset. Example 1, query. How do I change my password? Response. First click forgot password. Next, check your email. Finally, create a new password. Example 2. How do I change my password? Response. Password changes are risky. I love pizza. Go for a walk. Maybe check setting. Some people ask, didn't we deliberately enter a bad data? Yes, and that's the point. We are proving the evaluator can identify good responses and bad responses. Think of this like testing a smoke detector. We intentionally create a smoke to prove the alarm works. I'm in Microsoft Azure Foundry. Let's go and test Playground. It has installed GPT-5 model for us. Click on evaluation. Create. Choose the model which we have. Let's select dataset. The data which I showed previously, I already uploaded. You can use upload new set dataset. It's already uploaded to save time. So this is the data we have provided. One is the good data and one is like bad data. Let's click next. Let's use simple. It automatically detects like matches. Let's use default. Our present scope is coherence. So let's remove everything else. Let's click next. Submit. It shows in progress. We'll wait. It shows completed. Let's see the result. Coherence is 50%. For first query, it shows passed, and for second, it shows failed. The structured response receives a high score. Why? Logical ordering, clear transitions, easy progressions. The pizza response receives a low scores. Why? Random ideas, topic switching, poor structure, difficult to follow. This is how you can use evaluator to analyze. But remember, This is manual feeding data. In the real enterprise world, you cannot manually feed data. We have logically taken response, assuming that output is from AI, to our evaluator and try to understand how evaluator works. Let me explain how enterprise evaluation really works. Now let's talk about production. In the real enterprise environment, nobody uploads JSON files every day. Instead, it's like customer, AI application, AI response, Azure evaluator, dashboard. Everything is automated. The application's responses are automatically evaluated and scored. How enterprises improve coherence? First, improve system instruction. Tell the AI, answer logically. Use step-by-step explanation. Keep related ideas together. This is often the biggest improvement. Second, force structured output. Instead of explain the claim process, use explain the claim process using step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Third, improve RAG context. Sometimes the AI retrieves unrelated information. Better retrieval often improves coherence. Fourth, improve prompts. Example, summarize this versus summarize this using overview, key findings, recommendation. And last, evaluate better models. Sometimes the model itself struggles with a long context, complex reasoning, multi-step explanation. Benchmarking may help identify a better option. Quick workflow is like low coherence alert, review responses, find a root cause, apply fix, re-evaluate, improve score. Now let's answer today's question. An answer is factually correct and relevant, but it jumps between ideas and is hard to follow. Which metric is most likely low? Let's eliminate option D. Latency means response speed. The question is not about speed. Groundness. Groundness means evidence. The answer is already factually correct. That's not the issue. Relevance means did it answer the question? The question already says the answer is relevant. Correct answer is coherence. Why? Look at the clue. Jumps between ideas, hard to follow. That's exactly what coherence measures. Coherence evaluates logical flow, clarity, progression of ideas. What is Microsoft really testing? Microsoft wants us to understand an answer can be correct, relevant, but still confusing, disorganized. That's why quality metrics exist. Exam tips: when you see hard to follow, jumps between ideas, disorganized answer, poor logical flow, no clear progression, think coherence. Before you go, if there are Azure AI, Azure AI Foundry, RAT, prompt engineering, evaluation metrics, agents, GPT, cloud, or AI-103 topics you would like me to cover next, leave them in the comments. Your suggestions helps me create better demos and more useful practice questions. If this video helped you, please subscribe and I'll see you in AI 103 practice question 14.